In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sora AI. Now, first off, just search Sora AI and just click the first link. Now, once you're in here, you could read the text or the information about Sora AI, and you could also read its technical reports in here. As you can see, the video generation models as world simulators. As you can see, there are many information about Sora AI. And if you want the Sora overview, this is the Sora overview. And you could see that today Sora is becoming available to red teamers. So we cannot use this in ourselves. So they are sharing that their research progress early to start working with and getting feedback from people outside of OpenAI and to give the public a sense of what AI capabilities are on the horizon. So you cannot still use this in ChatGPT and or any app. So this will be still available soon, but not right now. And as you can see, there are many information about what this Sora AI is used for. This isn't available up until now. That's it.